Hello everybody, this review is for the URPOWER USB to Lightning cable. This is 3.3 feet. It is MFi certified for an Apple device. I was provided a free sample of this for an unbiased and thorough review, so that's what I'm going to do for you today. Now the cable looks pretty much identical to the Apple version. Even has the same logo on it, size and shape. It's all, like I said, pretty identical. I actually have an Apple version right here. Hold it side by side. So this is the URPOWER. So the USB port's a little bit bigger. And the other difference really is the URPOWER is slightly shorter, not a big deal nonetheless. And then finally the lightning end, you'll see that the housing is a little bit bigger. So if you have a device that has a hard time fitting the Apple version in there, the only other difference and problem you might face is fitting this in there. Most of the devices today have a wide enough cutout, so none of the devices I have any problems, but just FYI. So some of the problems with the non-Apple cables that people had in the beginning was that they didn't work for data transfer. So I'm going to plug this in my computer real quick, and we'll see if we can get the data transfer to work. Give me just a minute. Alright, so I've got my iPhone 6 Plus plugged in to my computer using the URPOWER USB to Lightning cable. So I'm going to get the phone up here. And I will, oh, that's a new one. I will take a picture off here, picture of my son, and paste it to the desktop. There it goes. So it does transfer data. It does sync. I wouldn't show you that process, but it takes a little bit too long for this video. So it's a great alternative to buying an iPhone cable at a much better price. Same exact length. No problems with it. I would definitely recommend this.